Hello everyone! Welcome back to Meerriz Tech. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove a green screen background in Camtasia. So let's get started. First of all, open Camtasia on your PC or laptop. Now, import your green screen video clip and the background image or video that you want to use. Once your media is imported, drag your background video or image onto track 1 in the timeline. Then drag your green screen video to track 2, which is above the background layer. This layering is very important. Camtasia reads from top to bottom, so your green screen clip must be on top. Now comes the fun part, removing the green background. Go to the Visual Effects tab on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the effect called Remove a Color. Click and drag that effect onto your green screen video clip in the timeline. After you apply it, you'll notice a new option appear in the Properties panel on the right. Here, you'll see an option called Color to Remove. Click on the small color box next to it, then click on the green part of your video in the preview window. This will automatically key out the green color. You can also pick the color from Color Picker as well. At first, it might not look perfect. Don't worry, we'll fix that. Under the Remove a Color settings in the Properties panel, you'll see several sliders like Tolerance, Softness. Adjust the tolerance to remove more or less of the green background. If you see a green outline around your subject, increase the softness a little. Keep tweaking until your subject looks clean and natural against the new background. You can position your subject anywhere on the screen. Click on the green screen clip in the preview window and drag to move it around. You can use arrow keys as well to move around. Use the corner handles to resize the video, make it smaller or larger depending on your scene. Once you're happy with how your video looks, hit the play button to preview the final result. Everything smooth? Great. Now go to the top right and click the Export button. Choose your preferred format, usually MP4 is best, and save it to your desired folder. Camtasia will now render your green screen video with the new background. And that's it. That's how you remove a green screen background in Camtasia like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Meerriz Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.